class 8 students. Very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to start exercise 3.1. Okay, it's about square. So let's start with the first sum. First sum is identify the numbers that are perfect squares in the following numbers. They have given some numbers. It's exercise 3.1, page number 38. Okay. So they have given some numbers. Generally, what actually happened, they are asking that identify the perfect square number. Okay. Now see, generally that happens, we can identify the perfect square number with the last digit of that particular number or the last two digits of that particular number. Okay. So here the numbers they have given. Within these, first one is 24. Last digit is 4. And 4 is a perfect square number because 2 twos are 4. Okay. Next one is 64. Again the last digit or else last two digits, we know that 8 8s are 64 clearly. So it is a perfect square number. First I have written. But I have not written about 24. Because if we will do the prime factorization, see I have done 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. After that 3 1s are 3. Only one pair of 2 is coming. But these 2 and these 3 are odd, not paired number. So that means 24 is not a perfect square number. So it is actually proved that it's not like that if the last digit is a perfect square number, that means the total number will be perfect square number. It's not always true, but in maximum case it is true. So that's why with A and B, within A and B, B is a perfect square number and that is 64. Now next one C is 270. C is 270. You can say the 0 is an even number, so maybe no. So let's do the prime factorization. 2 1s are 2, by 2 I have divided first, so it is coming 135. By 3 next it is coming 45. By 3 again it is coming 15. Again by 3 it is coming 5 and again by 5 it is coming 1. So ultimately it's not a perfect square number because see I have given the second bracket and it's only one pair of 3 we are getting. Others are odd numbers. Okay. Now, next one is number D. Number D, 400. We know that 400 is a perfect square number. Because if we will do the multiplication, generally we know that 8 into 8, 64, 20 into 20, 400 will come. Okay, clear? So we are getting these two pair. So that means they are perfect square number. Next one is number E and that is 450. This one. Again do the prime factorization. This is the best method to identify the perfect square number. So please don't get a chance. Don't take a chance. Better you please do it in prime factorization method. So by 2 if I will divide it will come 225. Again by 3 it will come 75. Again by 3 it will come 25. And again by 5 it will come 5. And again by 5 it will come 1. So ultimately we are getting 2, 3 and 2, 5. But 2 is an odd number, so it's not a perfect square number. Now the next one is 625. We know that generally 25 into 25. This is 625 will come. So that means 625 is a perfect square number. Now the next one, 729. 729, how we will understand that 729 is a perfect square number? That means we have to do this. Okay, so I am doing it over here. 729 prime factorization. If you want to know, you can do this, or else I am only doing. By 3 it will go because 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. That means by 3 it will go. It's coming like this. Again by 3 it will go because 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So again by 3. So now we are seeing one pair of 3. Again we are getting one pair of 3. Again we are getting one pair of 3. So ultimately we are understanding 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 3. That means it is the perfect square of 27 into 27. Okay. Now next one. Next one is 2602. See, I have done 2602. It's coming like this. By 2, it's coming 1301. It cannot be divisible by the normal numbers. Maybe by more than 17 and all these things. Till 16 we have seen that no, it's not divisible. And 2 is already an odd number, so it's not a perfect square. And the last one is 3600. This one. We know that generally 16 into 16. 3600 will come. So that means it is also a perfect square number. So better if this question will come in your exam, that identify the perfect square numbers. So better you use this prime factorization method. So now next sum. Number 2. Which of the following numbers are square of odd numbers? This is easily you can identify. How? See number 2A, 169, I have written as answer. Why you know? Because the last one, last digit of this number is 9 and this is odd number. So that's why a square of odd numbers they are asking. So it is a perfect square number, as if we know that generally 13 into 13 is coming 169. Next one is 121. Again 1 is odd number, the last digit. So that means it is also a perfect square number, and that is 11 into 11 will come this. So like this, number C, 1124, last digit is 3. Sorry, 1124, last digit is 4. That means it is not a square of odd numbers. Why you know? If we will multiply any odd numbers, so it will come generally, we generally used to say that it will come the odd numbers. Like we take 1, 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9, 9 is an odd number. Again 5, 5 fives are 25. So 25 last digit is 5, it is an odd number. Like this 7 sevens are 49, last digit is 9, it is also an odd number. Like this 9 nines are 81, 81 last digit is 1, it is also an odd number. So like this. That means number C, 1124, it is not a square of odd numbers. Number D also 440, last digit is 0, which is a even number. So that means 440 also is not a square of odd numbers. And the next one, 529, last digit is 9. That means it is a square of odd numbers. And the last one is 724. And here also last digit is 4. That is even number. So 724 is also not a square of odd numbers. Now the next sum, that is, which of the following numbers are square of even numbers? Square of even numbers, same method like number 2. That is even number, so last digit of that particular number will be even number. So first one, 3A, 289, 9 is the last digit and it is not an even number, so it is not the answer. Second one, 81, last digit is 1, it is not an even number, so this is also not the answer. But number C, 144, 4 is an even number, so it is the answer. We know that generally 12 into 12, 144 will come. After that, 484 also, because last digit is 4, this is an even number here also, so it is also the answer. Next one, 225, 5 is the last digit and this is not an even number, so this is not the answer. Next one, 256, last digit is 6, even number, so this is an answer. And the last one, 324, last digit is 4, that means this is also even number, so this is also the answer. Why? Because if we multiply the two even numbers, what will actually happen, you know? Always even number will come. Like you take any one, suppose take 8. 8 8 is a 64. 4 is a even number. Like this. Hope so you have understood